how to change the taillight assembly and change the bulbs in your Ford Explorer. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. There's a couple of 8mm bolts holding in the taillight, so use your 8mm socket and ratchet to remove those bolts. With the two screws out, you can just pull out and remove the taillight, just like that. Now, if you need to replace the bulbs, that's pretty simple. You just twist counterclockwise and the bulbs come out. So if you need to replace the bulbs, all you have to do is pull it straight out. Take your new bulb, snap it directly in. So with our new light, the first thing we're going to do is install the light bulbs. You just put them into the opening and twist it clockwise to lock it into position. You see the bottom alignment pin and the top alignment pin. Bottom goes here, the top goes here. We'll go ahead and install this and push it in. And from the inside, we'll need to get it to where the holes line up. So just get it lined up and install the two screws. Install the 8mm bolts by hand, then use your socket and ratchet to tighten them down. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.